It is an exciting day. We are 6 months in on this journey on YouTube, and today I am officially launching a Patreon account. Now, a lot of you have been asking about this, and you know that I do some group trading education on the side, a bit of one-on-one coaching, and really the demand has outstripped the supply. I only have a limited number of hours in the week, and I can't get to everyone that wants to book a session. So this Patreon is really intended to take what we cover in the charts on a bi-weekly basis on YouTube and take a step further. The Patreon content is going to be focused very specifically on swing trading equities and crypto with real-time trade alerts, but also it's going to be heavily focused on education. I have an 80-course education series that I'm going to be recording week by week to really help train you up in your technical analysis skills, your time analysis skills, your strategy for entries and exits, anything really related to trading stocks, commodities, and crypto. And the hope for the Patreon channel is really to influence a larger number of investors to help you maximize your returns, particularly in a year such as this. Third-year bull runs are marked by more volatility, which means there can be violent swings up and down. But if you know how to play the market and if you know how to trade, you can really take advantage of the gifts that we are getting right now, and I suspect that they will extend into 2026. Now, if you're here from the Invest Answers community, thank you so much for coming over to check this out. James is a wonderful teacher and guide. He obviously makes great indicators that we all use in TradingView. And the content you will find here is really meant to complement what he does. I think what his main focus is on high alpha, high return assets over a longer time horizon. Whereas the focus here is a little bit more on scalping and taking advantage of swings in the market and building that appropriate strategy and that balance between your long-term hold portfolio and your trading portfolio to really maximize gains. So I just want to briefly go over the 3 tiers in the Patreon so you know what to expect. Okay, here we are on the homepage with the first 2 posts. The first week, as things are getting up to speed, posts may be coming a bit slower, but by early October, in a week from now, we will be fully up to speed. If you go to the membership options, I just want to break down the tiers here. As you progress down the tiers from investor to trader to quant, the latter tiers include everything that's in the first tier. So if we look at the first one for investor, this gives full access to all core Patreon posts, which have daily chart and analysis updates. So I'll be posting hot charts to watch, giving my TA analysis and things to potentially watch out for in markets, macro market commentary and sentiment outlook for the broader indices, for crypto, for commodities, and you will also get access to educational breakdown videos and strategy explainers. So this educational content that I mentioned in the intro will be available to all tiers, and you'll also get early access to select YouTube content and bonus insights. A little bit more on that soon. The trader tier, the next one up, this obviously includes everything in the investor tier, but this is where things get interesting. You also get real-time trade alerts with entries, exits, and options strategies. So very specific trading info on what I am doing in markets. A TradingView watch list, so access to that you can add to your TradingView, and that gets fed in live via a link. And I will be updating that 1 week. So all the charts that I'm watching, you'll have access to right there in that watch list, and it will be automatically updated for you. And things that have already run that might not have the best entry anymore, they'll be removed and new opportunities will be added to that watch list. And then also you'll get access to a recording of a weekly Sunday evening Zoom call that we do with the top tier Quant members. So we do deep dives into upcoming trade setups, technical analysis walkthroughs, and strategic review for the week ahead. And we'll also cover Q&A. Now, for the final tier, the Quant tier, everything obviously that is in the trader tier and the investor tier you get there, but you also get alerts for standout perp trading opportunities. I'm saving perp alerts just for the top tier because perps are riskier and they require more focus and discipline. So I don't want to give everyone access to those just because they are risky and they require an appropriate strategy and risk management. You'll also get live access to the aforementioned Sunday evening Zoom call. So that will be a place for us to connect on a weekly basis to go over what we are planning for the week ahead. So I'll have a portion planned in that call every week that I will be presenting to everyone, and then we'll open it up to a discussion where we can go over Q&A, your chart requests, we can talk about different things in the macro sectors we are looking at, and it's really meant to be a collaborative time to sharpen all of us collectively to really prepare for the trading week ahead. And then you will also get access to exclusive midweek content. So I will provide midweek bonus TA video recordings on chart setups to complement some of the trade alerts. If we have an emergency in the market, we will do emergency market broadcasts when that volatility spikes. There will also be some fireside chats and guest interviews for that top tier. And then this has not been set up yet, but coming soon, we'll also have a private Discord that you can have access there. So we can be in touch throughout the week and have more of a direct line of communication as things are unfolding in markets. So those are the 3 tiers. Some of the higher ones, yes, do come at a higher cost, but it will be very high touch, customized content we will be getting together on a weekly basis. And thank you all for the positive comments when I first mentioned this on Friday's video. I just wanted to highlight these 2 here and this one here as just a bit of feedback. I don't normally like tooting my own horn, but it's wonderful to hear that some of you are already getting a lot of value just from the YouTube content, and you have my word that this will be amplified via the Patreon. And I also promise to never clutter or spam your inbox. You're not going to get Patreon posts about how you don't have enough garlic in your diet. This is going to focus just on the most important information on charts, markets, and trading opportunities. Some days, yes, there might be a lot of emails coming in via Patreon when a lot is happening in markets, but all of it is going to be relevant. And if it's too much, you can always change your settings and just check in on the web interface. So thank you guys for checking this out. If it sounds like something that would add value to your trading journey, I would love to see you in the Patreon. And if not, I will continue to see you on YouTube 2, maybe 3, maybe more times a week. We will see. Bye for now.